Hey folks, it's Mike from Two Hands One Dial Radio Show. I have the Panasonic RF 1150 and we're going to see what's on CB band tonight.
I said, looking for
Well, that was Lucky Star crying like a bitch. Hey, you tell Lucky Star that I'm the head digger in charge and he's my bitch. Yes, sir.
I guess you pissed him off so bad you don't want to talk to me now.
Hey, you just let him know, though. I want you to say, hey, Lucky Star, Cornbread said that he's the head digger in charge and you're here and tell him that he's my bitch. 10-4. He'll love that shit.
What kind of homo sick shit?
I am the head digger in charge.
Smoking Joe, talking about fucking another man and all that gay shit. What the fuck is wrong with you, man?
The garage dog waving.
Facebook page, and then he's got
See if we can get
the gate calling garage dog, but there was about 4 or 5 that jumped in. Brother wasn't been able to make it out. Oh, garage dog, man, just chilling and still telling lies. Yeah, I hear a 503. I heard a 503 in my receive.
Sam, put it on your later. I gotta go to the door. Hey, Bobby. I'll see you. Bye-bye. Jim, get it on the in charge up here on the hill. Why do you take a pickup truck? That's what it is. I got one too. It works real well. No doubt about it. Get it later. 518. I can't see no more.
And yeah, then one was having a little conversation there about his story in Virginia, so got you both in my receive, old garage dog waving.
I don't know, there's a lot of people out there that say there's nothing on CB. I don't know, you can kind of see right now that's not the case. A little hard to understand it.